Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Tuesday. What's really happening, guys, on the market? Like some seriously crazy stuff. But I think all that it was because of AI stuff, which it's actually like seriously crazy. There is this thing, DeepSeek. I think it's a company. Actually, is quite similar to OpenAI, but what happened there? They said actually that that company is performing very well, and it's actually getting the same results as OpenAI and the other ones, but the company did not really invest much. If I still remember, they said they invested like $6 million, which is enough, but if you can check other companies like Microsoft, OpenAI, 6 billion, 12 billions, all those amounts. So that actually shakes the market because it seems like why US companies need so much, whereas Chinese, they don't really need much. So that gives the investors a time to think that no, it seems like these guys, they just overcharging or say overvaluing whatever they're doing, but it's not really the case. But anyways, I think you can go read about that. Anyways, you have to learn, guys. Those are like sort of fundamentals or stuff that you should actually update yourself, especially when you trade NASDAQ or whatever. But you have to be up to date. So now it's Tuesday. We can see that today we don't really have much. It's consumer confident. Okay, it's something that we should check also. But tomorrow we have a federal fund rate, or we can say interest rate, and it seems like they're not going to cut the rate. From Canada also, it seems like they're going to cut the rate, and we also have CPI. So this is going to be very, very, very important, guys. And if we check going further, we have interest rates from other countries like Europe and the other ones. So which means this week is actually going to be way too important. But the best thing that I can say is don't just jump on the market. We have a lot actually that's going on. So while the market was selling, I was just relaxing, waiting. Just look at that. Guess what? I was just waiting and I had this buy signal and I took that. And I also shared that with my clients in our group, and we actually smashed that. If I can show you that, let's see, let's go there. You can see exactly where the signal indicator told me to buy. Just look at that. We just get in, no reversal, nothing, and I told them to lock. And it seems like it's still going to continue. So the market reversed around this level. So it might still reverse around this level, but there is still a room for the market to go even higher. But my point there is this system indicator, guys, works very nice. Just look at this buy. Let's check maybe something like, let's say US30 and see what we have there. Just look at that. That was also a perfect buy. And you can actually miss all these nice moves. But by the way, let me close that. By the way, that system it's actually on special until tomorrow. So you get 50% off. So which means you are now going to pay 75. So let me know. You can check my description. You will find my contact. Just click that WhatsApp link. Then it will take you straight to my WhatsApp. And for those who wants to eat with us, you can actually, or let me show you our signals that I sent in the group. Yes, so this is actually our signal group, right? You can see we have 220 members, and on the other group we have like 100 and something members. So I just want to show you. Oh, this one is today's signal that I've sent. So let's see. This is the special. For that indicator, you can see it's actually 150. You only pay $75 until tomorrow because this is a limited special. So actually it's 50% off. So just look at this. Okay, here it's already when we smashed the thing. NASDAQ. Oh, I did not really send the structure there, but I told them to buy. Just look at that. The market was just flying. Just look at that. So if you were part of the team, you were not going to miss. Just look at US30. I will be showing US30. We also smashed that. And if I can go, guys, if I can go, S&P 500 actually went a little bit lower before going up. So there are so many stuff that we did smash. USD Canada. If I go, I can't complete this. USD JPY. Just look at that in our group. So, and to be part of this group, it's only $60, 12 months. 12 months. If you want lifetime, it's actually $150. You pay once, then you forget. So I just wanted to go through most of this stuff that I went through last week. So this is USD ZAR or USD, yeah, South African Rand. You can see this, it's actually a proper uptrend structure that I was looking at. I think here we entered a little bit early, or maybe our order was a little bit early because we had a pending order here, and then the market went a little bit lower. But at the end of the day, yes, the market did go in our favor. And I still believe that we are still on this nice uptrend structure. I hope you see that. Let me check the other one, USD Canada. This, I think we did smash this one. You can see the overall structure here is we are still on this nice uptrend. You see, actually, this is, I can say, my trade setup. So you can see that the market was going actually, or let's say it was uptrending. Yes, around this level, the market actually was starting to consolidate, but we know very well that even if it's consolidating, we are actually on this nice uptrend. It's not really different from this. Or if maybe we can go back, it's possible to find that that type of a structure. Sometimes it might not really be as clear as we want, but mostly these structures, they will be quite similar. Do you see that? This was a sort of a consolidating, but not as aggressive as this. But the overall structure here is we are still on that nice uptrend. So yes, the market might still respect this and break out, but at the moment the dollar is quite stronger. So we'll actually expect, I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that buy. But don't forget that tomorrow we have FOMC. Things might change. They will cut the rate, they might cut the rates, or they might say, you know what, let's pause with the rate, you see. But on this one, yes, we did smash USD Canada, very nice. And you can see we are still floating around that profit. So I'm still expecting to see the market going even higher. Euro JPY, I no longer remember it. Oh, we did have this, but oh, what? Yeah, we did have this, but I don't know if maybe the market did go against us here, but you can see that the overall structure here on Euro JPY, it was still going to go lower. So which means now I have to adjust this because we can see that it gave us a sort of a breakout there. But the overall structure, it is still going down, which is something that we actually have to, which is something good because you can see that I was actually right. So let's check GBP, JPY, I no longer remember. Okay. Guys, we mentioned in this group, you can see this one, I think it was quite straightforward. Remember, I follow the trends. So which means the trend here, I was just doing what the trend is telling me. Here, first point, third point, you can see that the market is just moving like that. So here the market was respecting that. I had to have that nice pending order or buy pending order. And the market, fortunately, the market bounced back in my favor and we smashed that. Simple as that. I hope maybe this makes sense. When we say you have to understand the market, you have to have that plan, you have to have that solid structure, so that strategy that you follow now and then, it has to be there. You see, so let me check USD, JPY. Yes, we also did smash this one before the market went even lower, but it seems like now the market is bouncing back. So at the moment, what can we do when we have a structure like this? I think we just need to adjust this structure. I don't think this is a proper breakout. I think we can try to draw it like this. something like that. It can still work. You can see that. So, but here we did have that a nice buy. The market reversed around this level, and I told my people to get out before the market reverses. That was very nice. But if we did not, obviously we were going to take a loss there. But this was also going to be another opportunity. So on USDJPY, we are still on that nice uptrend structure, but I think it's way much better for us to wait now for the market maybe to reach this level again before we go even higher. I hope that makes sense. So Euro USD, we did not really take anything. I think we sent that today. So let's check Bitcoin. It seems to be playing games also. We can see that it's still consolidating around those structures. Or let me just make this full screen. I will just continue. We can see that, yeah, the overall structure, it is still on that nice uptrend. I think a daily time frame can work very nice here. These structures, they are like seriously aggressive. So we have something like this. I'm expecting the market to continue like that, even if along the way we will have some sell structures along the way. But if you check nicely, this is a proper aggressive uptrend. You see, Bitcoin is on that trend. So I'm still expecting to see the market going further this year. As I said, I will be going through these cryptos because I think there is enough opportunities. So I think the market might consolidate around this level, and sometimes it might take time around this level before breaking out. If we check back there, we had quite similar story. The market moved very nice. We can say boom here, boom here. You see that? Then after the market started to consolidate, but that took from March. Let me see, from March 2024 until November. So you can see that it's almost a year. So even here, we might have quite similar thing. The market might play game until we find that nice breakout. I'm not saying it's going to take 12 months or something. I'm just saying it might take time playing around the same level. So now we are on dollar index. We can see that the market is still actually trying to push even higher. The market broke, sorry, I can't say it broke out. The market actually reversed a little bit. Now, obviously, the market will be going up. And once the market goes up, it means that USD, it will be getting gaining that momentum again. We can see we're no longer on this type of a structure. We're now going up. The market is now going higher and higher. What's happening? So we expect the market to continue pushing even higher. So this is what is something that might happen. And I think it's already happening. So, but it's not really as perfect as that, but we expect the market to continue going up. As we saw that inflation slowly is going up here and there, and that is not really a good thing, obviously. It's not really a good thing because it makes the dollar to be quite strong. GBP USD, my setup here is quite straightforward. We are on a very nice downtrend structure, and I'm expecting to see a continuation of this sell. You can see that the market has been respecting this level. So even now, I think the market might actually respect this, and we expect to see that continuation of that sell. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold actually reached the highest level or our resistance. Now the question is, are we going to break out of that structure, or maybe the market will or maybe we are going to respect that? It seems like the market is respecting that, but the question is, are we going to see a continuation of that sell? We still have that support area before going up, or maybe before breaking out. I think here it's clear I need to stay out of the market. I will have to wait and see what will happen, because guys, geopolitics here matters most, especially on gold. So I'm still waiting for that. FOMC tomorrow might also have a positive or negative impact on gold, but we have to wait and see. At the moment, we can see that, yeah, the overall structure is still that bullish momentum. If we break out, obviously, I won't have any choice, but I'll have to jump on that. If it bounces back around my support, I don't really have that choice. I'll have to take that. But if it breaks, yes, I will have to look for that sell because it's something that I want to happen, or I'm expecting it to happen, you see. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. US30, what's actually happening on US30? We can see that the market has been actually on this nice uptrend structure. We had this adjustment, or we can call that a breakout, but it's not really a proper breakout because the market is continuing with the opposite trend. Once the market breaks out, we expect the market to continue with this downtrend, but with this one here, it was just an adjustment. So the market is continuing to go even higher. I think 4 hours time frame here can actually work very nice. I want you to see nicely here. You can see I already told you about that. So now we are here. It shows us that the market seems to be trying to continue to go higher. Did I talk about? Okay, it's fine. So you can see that we did have this nice sell there. So not sell, buy. And the market actually blessed us. So we actually took it all. You can see from this area and we smashed that. It seems like now the market wants to continue also. And that will be good because now we expect this uptrend to continue. So we will have to smash that again. But let's take it slow because tomorrow there is FOMC. There is a chance that the market might be trying to play with us, and at the end of the day the market might punch us. So we have to be extra careful, right? So let me clear that. So here on NASDAQ, we can see that the market was going up very nice. This was a proper uptrend. Boom, the market broke out aggressively. So then this is where I showed you that my indicator showed me, hey Kenzo, let's take a buy there. We took that buy and we smashed that. So now this area actually, if we go on a smaller time frame, seems to be like a sort of a resistance. Once the market breaks out, that's why I have that notification. Once the market breaks out here, I will be ready to do what? To jump in and take my buy positions again. I will be ready to buy again if the market breaks out around this level. So yeah, I'm still bullish here. I think this sell-off was not really that not something surprising, but I think it was very good. But mostly when we have this aggressive sell-offs, the market might reverse, but not really aggressive. The market might just play around, but at the end of the day, we will find the market around this level. But if you miss this opportunity, it's simple to miss that opportunity because when you expect those aggressive moves, they don't really happen. They just move slower. But at the end of the day, they go in where you want. So take it slow. Try to wait for the market. It's still January, guys. Try to have that patience. Try to draw that trading plan that you want to follow and be disciplined to follow that. Be disciplined. So here it's S&P 500, quite the same thing there with NASDAQ, or I mean US30 or NASDAQ. You can see that the market aggressively sold off, but likely enough the market bounced back. We had a buy pending order here, and you can see, I don't know if maybe this touched our order or something, but this is what we had because I did not really take S&P 500. I was just smashing NASDAQ and non-stop. So German 30 did not really have any that negative impact that much, but the market was still around this area, very high, by the way. So I'm expecting to see the market reversing a little bit. Maybe we can reach this support area before we jump. You can see this is a very nice uptrend. So I'm expecting to see a proper uptrend going further, something like that. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see that continuation of that buy. So for those who want the system, guys, the special ends tomorrow. You can get the system for $75 coming from $150. So which means you're saving 50%. And for those who want our signal, 12-month signals, it's actually $60, right? If you want lifetime, it's $150. So go on my description, you will find my WhatsApp link, or scan this QR code, then talk to me there. Then you can start to be part of the team. So thank you very much. I hope you're going to have some very winning streaks, some very good trading week, or let's say year. You're going to have some winning streak, this year. We're going to have that. So anyways, thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.